Hello friends, welcome back to our English grammar session. Today we will continue our chapter noun with some exercise. In the earlier topic we have already studied about the definition of noun and its kinds. There are mainly four kinds of nouns, that is common noun, proper noun. Then we have studied about abstract noun. These are the various kinds, and we also studied about the countable, uncountable nouns, singular and plural nouns. Continuing with that, we will do some exercise. So let us see here. You are kindly requested to take out your notebook and note it down all these things in your notebook. First of all, let us see the exercise. Heading is like this: choose suitable words or phrases from the box. These are the options. From these options we have to fill these blanks. First of all, first is given, do you have an extra dash gloves with you? So from here we have to write answer. I repeat again, do you have an extra dash gloves with you? Gloves we are wearing in our hand, so they are exactly two. Shoes also we are wearing, they are also two. So for these things we are using pair of. So first answer is pair of gloves. Second one, Akhil ordered hot chocolate with dash sugar. Hot chocolate with dash sugar. Sugar is uncountable. So from here we have to find which word or phrase can be added with sugar, that is uncountable. So again I am repeating, Akhil ordered hot chocolate with some sugar. Then third one, Jude is dash bad conductor of heat. Jude is a bad conductor of heat. Number 4, there are a dash trees in my garden. Trees countable. So select word from here, which thing we can keep here to make it proper blank. So there are a dash trees. So we will write few trees in my garden. Number 5, how dash time do you need to complete the assignment? Bracket is given. From bracket we have to complete this blank. How dash time. So let us check all the answer. How a time do you need? No. How few time? No. How much time? Much is uncountable. So much is used with uncountable noun. So here we will put much time. How much time do you need to complete the assignment? After that, next exercise, match the common nouns to the proper nouns. Here the topic noun is basic thing. This we are learning from standard 5th till 10th and beyond also that. So it is a common thing we need to understand. Don't think that we have already studied or it's a basic thing. But keep on revising this thing so that you will have a concrete knowledge of these things. See, match the following is given. First one is given country. So from here we have to find which proper noun is there that is matching with country. Here various proper nouns are given and these are the common nouns. Country may be any country. Festival, any festival. Continent may be any continent. Playwright, that also be any playwright. Inventor. So here we are taking common nouns and these are the proper nouns. So if we are taking first one, country, so let us find answer. First one is given Sherlock Holmes, second Kalpana Chawla, Assamese, Narmada, Myanmar. Myanmar is the name of the country. So first answer. Second, festival. Here F, that is given Onam. Onam is the name of the festival. Then continent. Here it is given Antarctica. That is the name of the continent. Playwright, William Shakespeare. Playwright. Inventor, James Watt. Language, Assamese. Monument, common noun, proper noun. If we find that it is Qutub Minar, that is a monument. Detective, Sherlock Holmes is a detective. River, Narmada, name of the river Narmada. Narmada is a proper noun and river is a common noun. Astronaut, Kalpana Chawla. So these are the examples of common noun and proper noun. Proper noun always start with capital letters. After that, next exercise, underline the correct noun and write its kind. Here are the 5 blanks are given. In the bracket, some words are, so we can say nouns are given. We have to find the correct noun from this bracket and we have to write its kind, which kind of noun it is. First one, birds / sparrows of a feather flock together. Dash of feather flock together. So here 2 words again, birds, sparrows. So not only of sparrows, all birds we can say feather flock together. So answer will be birds, and it is known as a common noun. Birds comes under common noun. Second one, a dash, and in dash it is given person / child. A dash is known by the company they keep. This is a, we can say, famous proverb. A dash is known by the company they keep. Only we cannot say the child. Not only child is known by the company they keep, but the person is known by the company they keep. So the answer is person, and it also comes under common noun. Third, a little dash is a dangerous thing. Hate or knowledge? A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Knowledge and hate, both things are abstract noun. We cannot perceive these things with our sense organs. We can only feel this thing. That is abstract noun. Fourth one, all roads lead to dash. 2 words are given, Greece or Rome. So this is also one of the famous proverb. All roads leads to Rome, and it is a proper noun. Rome is the name of the country. Proper noun. Fifth one, last one. All that glitters is not dash. All that glitter is not gold. And this one is a material noun. Name of a material, name of something. So these are the examples of some nouns. Please note down in your notebook. Thank you for the day.